Okay guys, so I completed all 6 rows. This is what it should look like. Here's your initial stitch, and then your foundation chain, then your row 1, then our second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, and then the last 6th row, and then where I left off. If where you leave off is on the opposite side, then that is an even amount of rows. If it's on the same side as where you started, it is an odd amount of rows, because your first row, remember, it goes off of your foundation chain and it ends at the beginning there. So if you still need kind of help counting, count the holes where the stitches go in. So there's your foundation chain, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so in these gaps, if you realize that maybe you skipped one or you have 2 and 1, this is where you would what you call frog your work. So that just means you're undoing stitches. So where you left off, you just pull on that tail, and you see each stitch just kind of comes undone. Now watch how many times you frog work without just starting off with new yarn. The more times you use yarn, it can sort of kind of unravel. So whenever you do go to restart it, see this one's already kind of started to separate a little bit. It can be kind of fuzzy, it can be difficult to get clean stitches, stuff like that. So once you frog work, then you can start right back over where you started and redo your counting. Okay, I'm just going to end here for now. So when you are looking at your finished little rectangle from this practice pattern, check your sides. If your sides aren't straight, then there's a good chance that you added or subtracted a stitch somewhere in there. So remember that this pattern, it wants 10 single crochets. So if you have more or less than that, then you're going to have to frog your work and start back over, which is totally fine. That happens quite a bit, especially whenever you're learning. But even advanced people find mistakes and have to frog them. Also, whenever you are checking your sides, you may notice that the holes are smaller in one row or another. That could mean that you crocheted tighter or looser in a certain row, which would give your work not straight sides, but make your pattern more like a triangle. Just be careful of that, then you have to frog and try and be more consistent with your tightness.